Hello, welcome to Mark's Ketovore Recipes. Every Tuesday, I'd like to release a video of a recipe that falls in the Ketovore eating plan. And I wasn't going to do the horror-themed recipes this month, but it was kind of fun to ask ChatGPT for a recipe. It came up with something called a creepy cauldron casserole, and anybody who knows me knows that I love wordplay. So yeah, I'm gonna cook creepy cauldron casserole. uh, Something to combine. Anyway, let me go ahead and get started and show you all in it. And here's all what's in it. Starting off with 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of fresh spinach, 1 medium zucchini, cut into slices, uh, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, half a cup of shredded cheddar, a quarter cup or 2 ounces of cream cheese, a quarter cup of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of oil, black olives, cherries, and green bell pepper for garnish, and of course some cooking spray. So let me go ahead and get that all cut up and measured out. Okay, got everything all measured out here. So now I'll brown the hammer on medium heat with a tablespoon of oil. It's interesting that they add the oil to the browning meat. Maybe it just needs more grease to cook everything else with it. But anyway, I'll go ahead and let that cook with the onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and paprika. I'll get that all mixed in. I'm going to let the oven preheat to 375. While I'm doing that, I'm going to put the cream cheese in this bowl here and then put it in the microwave to let it soften. Just cook that for 5 seconds. That should be fine. I hope. Sure, why not? Let's try another 10 seconds because that didn't do much. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit softer. So now I'll add in the heavy cream and mozzarella. I'll get that mixed up. Okay, in this other pan, I have it on medium heat. It doesn't say to do this, but I'm going to add a little bit more cooking oil in there, and I'll cook the sliced zucchini. I think I got it too thick for what it's going for, but yeah, I'll just cook simmer the zucchini in a pan for a couple minutes on each side just to get the zucchini softened. Got the hamburger browned up. Now I'll add in the spinach. And it says to cook until the spinach is wilted. So I'll let that cook for a couple minutes while the zucchini is cooking. Okay, the ground beef and spinach is done cooking. Zucchini still needs to go for a little bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and drain and rinse the ground beef. The ChatGPT says do not, no need to rinse it off. But that's a lot of grease in the pan. Ketovore and keto and everything, carnivore saying that the fat's good for you. But that's a lot. So I'll go ahead and drain and rinse the ground beef before putting it in this dish. And now I'll put the ground beef mixture into the bottom of this dish here. Spread it around. And I think the zucchini's done. So now I'll move the sliced zucchinis over the top of the ground beef here. Definitely should have cut those thinner. And then now to put the cream and mozzarella over the top of the casserole dish. And then the olives. The bell pepper. And the olives, bell peppers, and tomatoes are supposed to be like garnish. You're supposed to be like monster fingers and eyeballs, and the tomatoes are supposed to be like blisters, but I don't feel very artistic right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put those in. And now to cover with the remaining cheese. It's pretty colorful. So now to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. And there's the finished product. Naturally, I'm going to let it cool off a little bit before doing the taste test, but that's what it looks like after it's done cooking. And there's the finished product all bowled up. ChatGPT says it makes 6 to 8 servings, but it looks more satisfying as 4 servings. So let me go ahead and do the taste test. I bet some ranch dressing would be really good on drizzled across the top of this. Not bad. Definitely made the zucchini too thick. Bell peppers a bit too crunchy for the recipe. Not bad flavor, just competing textures. Yeah, I kind of like oozy tomatoes with crunchy bell pepper and hamburger and the ground beef and mozzarella and stuff. That tastes all right, but I don't know. It's weird mouthfeel. So clever wordplay with the creepy cauldron casserole, but I don't think I'll be making this too often. Tastes all right, but the mouth feels just wrong. They made the zucchini too thick. Anyway, thanks for watching. Um, like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Any recipe suggestions would be appreciated. Not sure how often I'm going to do AI recipes. Maybe once a month or so. We'll see. We'll see how that turns out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.